It is juicing season and we are back today with another easy juicing recipe. I promise you, this juice would cost you anywhere between $7 and $12 in a store, but for today we're making it at home. These are relatively inexpensive ingredients. We have 2 apples, 5 carrots, a ½ inch of ginger, mine might be a little more, and 1/4 of a lemon peeled. You have to remember to peel the lemons. Although you can easily put it through the juicer with the skin on, it's a little bit bitter, so you want to avoid that. Take the time and peel it. One of the things that makes juicing so easy is you don't have to peel many things. So the carrots, we're going to throw in unpeeled just like this. Apples will cut up into quarters, and let's get started. The juicer has 2 settings, high and low. High is for more dense fruits and vegetables. We're going to start it on low just to put the lemon through because that's nice and soft. And now we're going to turn it up to high. Let's crank this thing up as we throw in our ginger first. Now we'll throw in all of our apple pieces. And finally, it's time to blend in those carrots. One of the cool things about this juice is the color. You have the green from the apples, the orange from the carrots. Makes a pretty cool color. And as you can see in the cup, this juice gives us about 20 ounces, which is a great serving for 1. Of course, if you're juicing for 2, just double all the ingredients. Quick tip before we pour out the juice. Make sure in the collection cup, you put a produce bag in there. It makes cleanup a snap. You can also take this, dump it out into your compost bin, and reuse the produce bag. Our juice is done, 20 ounces of perfection. Now as you can see, the lighter material sinks to the bottom while the thicker stuff moves up to the top. With every juice you make, there's going to be a little bit of foam at the top. Some people don't like the foam, and there's a little catcher inside the lid to make sure it doesn't get into your pour. So let's give it a little mix and pour it out. And there you have it, juice perfection. Kind of clashes with my shirt, but that's okay. Let's give it a taste. That's good. It's sweet. You can definitely taste the apple in there. You can definitely taste a little bit of that lemon, but it's not too potent. You're gonna love this one. Very refreshing for your summer. Hope you're having a good one. See you next time.